The company Arcadlon GmbH presents an evolution in vehicle architecture with a program, GeoCity. This makes it possible to realize the design of a vehicle in CATIA V5 within a very short time. The heart of GeoCity is a database that must be initially filled with the vehicle parameters, defined by GCIE and SAE dimensions, and the outer skin of a new vehicle is created on the screen, virtually at the touch of a button. Even a vehicle architect does not know all the dimensions in the vehicle. Therefore, explanations and representations of all dimensions can be found in the knowledge database in the settings section of the GeoCity program. Several rounds of fine-tuning and adaptations to the specifications then follow. As the development progresses, the respective versions are saved and can also be traced back. The driver's seat position now takes priority. Ergonomic optimizations of the steering wheel and pedals for different vehicle types can be selected and automatically calculated in the program. The number of rows of seats in the vehicle is unlimited, but the standards only specify 3. Additional rows can be entered manually. Once all rows have been defined and saved, the mannequins, including their headroom ellipses and sight lines, are created at the touch of a button. Out of the database, more CAD elements are finally positioned ergonomically and optimally for the vehicle occupants. Steering wheel and steering column, pedals for automatic or manual transmission, an instrument panel, and even the floor carpet will be drawn. Further checks of geometric legal requirements for the homologation of the planned vehicle follow. This includes the provision and evaluation of laws in the areas of visibility, light, dimensions, and traffic light view. The seats in the vehicle, including their elbow and shoulder clearances, are automatically set to seat reference points. The dimensions of the seat cushions and backrests, as well as the backrest tilt and seat rail angles, can be controlled parametrically. All ETRTO-approved wheels can be retrieved from the GeoCity database. The static tire diameter required for geometric legal requirements is returned here. At the same time, new tire data can also be updated in the database here. The static wheel diameters and a representation of the wheel covers are displayed as results. To display the front axle, chassis, wheels, brakes, and tires, we first need to define the driver's position, including the steering wheel. The front axle with disc brakes and spring struts of the front axle has to be loaded first, as the steering geometry requires their connection points. Finally, we get our predefined tires and rims with the specified dimensions. These dimensions can also be changed and updated into the database. The guidelines for various tests from organizations like NCAP, SAE, and IIHS are constantly changing. This is not a problem for GeoCity. Our program can be extended in all categories, and also subgroups can flexibly expanded. Even special requests from our customers can be included. For optimal positioning of the barriers, we recommend close coordination with Vehicle Security Department. Some barriers are used in several different positions around the vehicle, at the front and also on the sides or even at the rear. For example, there are 2 different pile tests, one at 90 degrees and one at 75 degrees. The vehicle architect plays a major role in the development process of a new vehicle. With the software GeoCity, the company Arcadlon supports him in all key areas during the concept phase.